What's up, guys? We've got a rematch of an old favorite. 3 compact impact wrenches, all 1/2 inch. We've got DeWalt 921 with a 5 amp power stack. Milwaukee M12 Gen 2 stubby with a 5 amp HO. And the Flex compact impact wrench with a 6.0 stacked lithium. We're going to do a bit of a small, medium, and large here. So we're going to do these 3/8 fasteners. We're going to do a T50 Spax. I love these things. And then a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch drive lag screw. I think these are 5 inch. So let's get it on. I should mention that I'm driving into this 1 1/4 inch plywood or stack of plywood. Try to keep it uniform, keep the tests fair. I'm going to be using my soft hand dude gloves because these fasteners get really hot when you're driving into plywood. And this is just a test. Would you ever drive into a stack of plywood? I don't think so, but it makes a great test. So just keep that in mind. All right, DeWalt first, speed 2. I think it's faster than the timber screw mode, but we can do both if you guys want to see that too. Fully charged, 5.0 power stack. Here we go. Let's go up close so you guys can see it. Now we've got probably the favorite here. My favorite, I think. Speed 3, fully charged, Gen 2 stubby. Right next to the other one. Here we go. Lastly, we've got the Flex compact impact wrench. Fully charged. We're going to go speed 3 again. We're not using the timber screw mode. Here we go. Next up, we got these Spax T50s. I've only got one on me right now, so we're going to drive it and then pull it out. I love these things. If you need a good structural fastener, these things are insane. They're pretty hard to drive too. All right, same as before. I think we'll go right in front of where we started. There we go. So you guys will be. We're going to go on to these lag screws again, 1/2 inch, but 3/4 inch drive. See how. So there you have it. You guys will know the results. I won't until I time this. You really can't go wrong with either of these. Just really depends on what platform you're on. There's not a huge difference. I mean, this is impressive just because it's so small. It's 12 volt. These are basically cousins. My first test, flex was a little faster. I'm curious to see how this went. But for the commenter that recommended this, that I do this test again, thank you. And if you guys want to see anything else, let me know, and I'll try to make it happen. Like and subscribe. We hit 500. Thank you, guys.